This is News Center 8.
Good evening, everyone.
Thanks for joining us. Here's what's happening. Health advisories are out tonight in the city of Cleveland as we continue to sit under an increasingly polluted cloud of stagnant air. The thick smog blanketed the downtown area much of this day, prompting warnings to those who could be susceptible to its effects.
Forecasters are predicting no relief from the haze or the heat this weekend as temperatures will graze the 100 mark again tomorrow. News Center 8's Martin Savage is live to report on the heat wave we can now actually see. Marty?
Well, that's right, Robin and Tim. I don't know if the camera picks it up so well, but in person you can see a haze hanging around the terminal tower, and that is just part of the smog that is clinging to downtown Cleveland tonight. Two things we know we probably won't be doing this weekend. One of them is watering the lawn, and the other one could be breathing. At least health officials are advising that breathing is not a good idea, at least on the outside, if you are elderly or have any sort of respiratory problem. It's all part of the continuing problems we're seeing as the heat goes on.
City of Cleveland Division of Air Pollution Control. Today, July 8th, the current 4 o'clock p.m. index is 136, indicating unhealthful air quality. Elderly persons and people with respiratory problems should reduce physical activity.
For the second straight day, Cleveland's air, as recorded by the City Division of Air Pollution Control, was in the unhealthy zone. The measurements are taken at this site downtown near St. Vincent Charity Hospital, and so concerned are health officials that a rare weekend report will be made tomorrow.
Due to the current pollution conditions, an actual index instead of a forecast will be available tomorrow at approximately 10 a.m.
If the air is so thick you can see it, it should be no surprise you can also feel it. A third straight day of record high temperatures sent heat waves shimmering across the area. By mid-afternoon, the mercury was registering in the upper 90s. Concern for the elderly, especially susceptible in this heat, have prompted the Lakewood Senior Center to offer the cooling confines of its air conditioning, and even cots for seniors who might want to spend the night. But if Cleveland saw no relief from the heat, it did at least see some from its water crisis. Thanks to a still-in-effect sprinkling ban, many reservoirs were able to fill to more comfortable levels, and badly needed maintenance work on pumps that had been running night and day was finally carried out.
If someone would have told me that these pumps were going to run for 24 hours a day for 11 days, I would just think that was totally unbelievable.
Well, meanwhile, we should tell you and stress again that sprinkling ban, as unbelievable as it might seem, is still in effect and will remain in effect all weekend long. You cannot water the lawn if you are within the Cleveland watering district. They expect that they'll have a decision made Sunday afternoon and expect some sort of announcement Sunday evening, and you can tune in to find out. Meanwhile, News Center 8's Dick Goddard is standing by to fill us in with more on that certain something that is in the air tonight. Dick.
Oh, yes, Marty. The idea is not to breathe unless you have to. That's facetious. But by Monday, things will improve dramatically. But we've got 2 more days that are going to be mighty tough around here. An example, if you saw the sunset this evening, it had a bronze hue to it. And again, Marty indicated, lost in a fog there somewhere, our air quality today, 136. By the time you hit 100, you're getting into the unhealthy category. By the time you hit 200, there is a warning issued. And if you have respiratory ailments, if you are a frail, elderly, or handicapped person, by all means take it easy and call those people. If you indeed are in good health, check on the elderly and again the handicapped if you can. Find out what they need. Now, tomorrow morning, as Marty indicated, they're going to work overtime to give you the latest pollution count. And here's the number to call. This will be the count in Cleveland, the air quality number from the Cleveland Division of Air Pollution Control. This is a recording. They'll take the sounding at 10 a.m. I assume it'll be available shortly thereafter. Here's the number, 771-3313. 771-3313. And of course, we'll be back very soon with an outlook for the weekend. And again, relief is in sight. Robin.
Okay, thank you, Dick. Well, the high heat and humidity didn't make things any easier for rescue crews in Brownsville, Texas, who today
when you give me that crazy look, 'cause when it comes to making me laugh, you wrote the book. You're the single most funniest person I've ever known. Oh, you tickle my funny bone. All I have to do is take one look at you and I'm smiling, I'm chuckling, I'm laughing, I'm roaring. You're the single most funniest, you're the best.
Big Jock and Little John, Friday nights at 11:30 on TV8.
This was our 15th day since Memorial Day with temperatures of 90 degrees or better, and we could be heading for new records over the weekend.
The record tomorrow and Sunday again, as was the case today, 97 in 1936. It will be close to it tomorrow. May not make it on Sunday. The key to getting rid of the air pollution is air movement. We have had it not horizontally nor vertically, except today we had a couple of thunder showers develop in the area. That does show what is known as convective instability. That is a good sign. Trinity Cathedral there in the background, and currently in the city. It is a steam bath, 83 degrees. And the folks who got under the raindrops today, when they called, said it indeed was a steam bath after the showers went by. North wind 5, humidity 49%, higher than we have seen of late. Barometer 30.05, beginning to fall. No rain officially today. 99% of the area was in that condition, and since the first of the year, the deficit 7.21. And pollution standard index, it was a late report, 136, taking it again into the unhealthy category. Doctors tell us drink plenty of water even though you're not thirsty, because thirst, they say, is not a true indicator that the body needs fluid. Now at 4 o'clock, here's an echo, and you see them passing on to the south by 5. This one went over Alliance, home of the Aviators, and Niles, Red Dragon Town there. Out in Sullivan, they had rain in northern Ashland County, and we are going to take a look at the current radar to see we still have some rain echoes there, few and far between, south of Canton, going into from Stark to Tuscarawas County, and this is all unfortunately ground clutter. Before, well, tomorrow a chance. You could have a redevelopment of very spotty thunder showers, but Sunday by late day, better chance some scattered thunder showers will appear. Mark will update you on that. And then Sunday night into Monday as the cool front approaches and passes. Lake Erie border, 71 degrees. The lake water, winds variable 5 and 10 tonight, onshore tomorrow, 2 feet or less wave condition. And now around the state, we will check the very latest. And we had a 99 in Cleveland, Akron, Canton 99 today, Youngstown 99, Mansfield 98. Winesburg down in Holmes County had a report of 112. Okay, 106 at Columbia Station, and Fred Hollingsworth, a veteran 20-year National Weather Service cooperative observer, according to Kent Courtright down in New Philadelphia, recorded 101 today. So 100 was evident in many areas, highest in the state, 102 at Cincinnati and Huntington South Point. Low this morning, 69, 89, 71 a year ago. Sun's up. 602 goes down 903. Satellite showing more of the same. Hot weather over the east. Low pressure nearby has helped create a little instability in the air, and that's good. Convective currents that can form thundery weather. Here's the front, but again, it looks like it'll take until Monday before it comes in. There's warm air behind it, so don't figure it's going to be spring-like, but certainly for most of us, a big improvement. Wind flow at 18,000 feet going into the weekend, and here's the bend we haven't seen lately. It should be enough, again, to propel that front into the state. On the big map, high pressure, that's been our problem, blocking out the advance of the fronts out of the north, and they've had some substantial rains out in parts of Texas. One tornado at Abbey in Nebraska today, no fatalities reported, and you see just how warm it was, 99 in Atlanta. They won't even share in that frontal activity once it gets in, and you see what's going on in the far west. Our forecast for tonight and tomorrow, a light and variable wind. And again, the air pollution control folks are going to be on taking account as of 10 a.m. Mainly clear tonight. The spotty showers and thunder showers south moving away. Overnight low 70. Hazy sun, hot, humid tomorrow. 98 the average. The chance in the heat of the day, I would say isolated thunder showers, as was the case this afternoon. I would figure 90% or more of the area will be staying dry. Better chance by late Sunday, Sunday night into Monday. Hot and sticky on Sunday. Sunshine as well. 96 the high, and Monday 87, and again it could thunder on us, let us hope, and Tuesday and Wednesday sunshine 80. Tonight at 6 we had our pet adoption program, and thank you so much. Princess the Pooch and Taffy the Cat got good homes.